guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm heading off to a dance class. The dance class that I'm going to is for J-Hope's Neuron Dance Foundations class. This morning I got a package arrive and it was literally from Weverse and it was J-Hope's On The Street stuff. This is On The Street on the back as well.
Got all the training, got all the drills that we got. Keep those bounces deep.
I think from here I struggle like to get my foot out, but it's already prepped, isn't it?
Yeah, so your weight should be evenly distributed back here,
Yeah.
so you can immediately step on front, left, right, and down, side, down. Okay. Same thing, I'm just gonna play a bit longer, so feel free to apply what you did. If you want to do the rocks, if you just want to step it out, it's completely fine, but just vibe it out, okay? Let's go.
Hey!
that version in case anyone needs it. This is a here, and here, and here, and think about adding a bit of personal flavor if you want. So if you want to lean a little bit more, like yay, yay, feel free to go with that. If you want to make it super aggressive, then make it aggressive. If you got stress at work, punch whoever, go for it. Here, do a bit. Just think about all your worries are just gonna blast out of the room. Okay. This time around, just give me the energy, give me your own personality. Okay, so on the days I hate you, alright.